Good morning to everyone, it's Mario Mercadini from Sorma Group. We all know that the COVID pandemic has changed the market flow. We have more problems and more issues than before. Since we work in a food industry, we must work together in order to supply correctly fruit and vegetable to everyone. We changed the way we work in order to supply on time packaging and machinery. We increase our stock, we increase the investment in new technology, and we are hearing the voice of the planet. Today we find a solution for a better future of tomorrow. We find the way to use a plastic-free packaging in our stand machine using only cellulose. We can really do the difference.